Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are making a simple and delicious cluster bean vegetables with the rich flavor of dry coconut. So let's begin with the ingredients. First, let's look at the ingredients. I have taken dry coconut for that nice coconut oil flavor. Cluster beans, they are also called tidki mirki. Potatoes in small cubes. Sliced onion. Small red chilies, green chili, cumin and turmeric powder. I'll be taking oil and salt as per the taste. Now let's go to the cooking process. Heat a little oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds, small red chilies and sliced green chilies. Let them fry for a few seconds until they release their aroma. Next, add sliced onions along with the pinch of salt and saute until the onions turn soft and golden. Now add the potatoes. Half a tablespoon of turmeric. Stir and add water. Close the lid, let the potatoes cook a bit. Potatoes are cooked. Let's add the cluster beans, tidki mirki. Stir. Cover and let it cook until the vegetables turn tender. Finally, add the grated dry coconut. Mix it in and let it cook for just a minute so that all the flavors blend together. And that's it. Our simple, tasty cluster bean vegetable is ready to serve. Please try this recipe at home and enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.